what an impression they have made in the tournament so far. As you are correct, they are definitely one of the contenders here. Huh? First attack, go ahead.
Yeah, they actually started the tournament very...
Bakbaka na yun, and they ended up winning that. In the meantime, the Judiciary is at 2-3, trying to stay close to that fourth spot to at least get a chance to make that. In the meantime, that is open. 7-5, Comelec Abante. Desebre, naisip ni Lupo. Ay, nahulog sa loob.
No coverage on the side of...
Boras will be serving.
Oh, that was a good serve.
Good ace. Yumang down the middle. Gendrauli almost lost her step there. Angeles shoots. And Nocon is there. They will go to the middle. You know, in the simplicity of the attacks here, you really have to be stable defensively for all of us.
So the advantage that the Judiciary has right now is they're exploiting the defense of Comelec. So first ball ng Comelec from the serve, they're able to put it up, pero yung galing sa palo o atake ng Judiciary, dun sila nahihirapan. So hindi nila masyadong binibigyan ng kumpiyansa itong Comelec.
Yeah, in fact, because of the faulty passing of Comelec, as you were pointing out, nagkakaroon ng advantage ang Judiciary. Ang ganda ng palo ni Abel. Sa kabila, baka malakas pa masyado yun. Pero tama yun, yung likot ng kamay, really helpful in beach volleyball. Oh, great tap. That time by Tubog. Oh, too difficult to handle. Abel. Lalim ng pinagpunan.
That was a good pass.
Yes, indeed. Nagawa ng paraan. And Drowley. Abel sends it to the very ice. Oh,
that was a better pass.
Kahit nagulat siya. Pesebre. Suddenly, bagsak ang energy nito by the libero. That's Resio. Oh, sorry. That's Rodriguez. In the meantime, here's the tap and Drowley with a swipe. Pesebre says, tabi dyan. Yumang. Then Drowley. And we're done. The first pass, Abel. 2-0. Comelec creating some room.
Encourage the team na kaya naman daw yung kalaban. Kailangan lang talaga nilang mag-usap sa loob. She also added that they don't need to sulk on their errors nga daw. Ang mahalaga, makabawi agad sila. Let's see how the Justice servers will respond to this.
Siyempre, naabutan ko pa ito. Ayokong sabihin. Pero yes,
wag.
yung puting bola.
Oo.
Kasi yung bola ngayon talaga, I love it. Kasi ang lambot, ang gaan.
But nung araw, pag na-facial ka ng puti, ang sakit ha. Pwede yun. Ganda ng set ni Yuma. Ganda, sarap paluin, pero tinapik lang ni Abel. Oras. And by the simplest method, set ended at 25-19. You know, Judiciary was playing so much better in that first set. Save for
I agree.
The last part. Yumang, middle attack. Abel, Pesebre wise to it. Kept in play by Tubog, but better defense. Free ball forthcoming, and Drowley knows what to do. Good set. Isa pa. Kaya maiset. Boras. Yumang says, puto, kaya ko yan. Abel, sumasayaw sa ere. Ang saya ng babae ito talaga. Sasayaw ba yan?
Hindi siya nawawala.
Susubukan mo para makahabol
That's
talaga.
That's right. At siguro, ating sa perspective ng ating referees, syempre they're thinking about the safety of the players.
Yeah,
So you have to remember, these are not professional players.
Totoo yan. That's last. Gado.
O parang pinapatawag siya ng judiciary.
Kasi ang Comelec parang korte din yan di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi may justices parang ano yan. 11 attacks.
Another good serve.
Tulis na tulis. Errors by the Judiciary in some. Good strike. Wow. Nicely done on that toss over. Oh. And Santos. Gentle tap. Number 1, that is Manlapit. Nice drop. Bajek. Got it. Pero bawat team kailangan ng ganyan tao.
Yeah.
Bawat team. Kailangan ng ganyan spirit eh. Itataas. Pinalo ni Bajek. Si Dolorosa magseset. For Bajek.
Oh,
The
net,
neck is shaking.
net violation.
De Los Santos. Dolorosa. Bajek says, huwag ka nang babalik. Tony Nocon hard at work. Nocon keeps it in play. Excellent dig. She smiles over it, enjoying the opportunity to make a contribution. Yan ang puto. 3 points. 6.
Actually, alam mo, doon ko nakakalaro yan si RD. Kaya ako sinabi sa'yo, talagang very conditioned yan.
Parang the automatic cue is, may ginagawa ka? Nice dig by Bajek. Down the middle with Abel. In a one-on-one duel, she fires away. Yumang kept alive by Comelec. Nice drop. Well done by Tubog.
Saka yung combination din ng kung sinong papalitan. Like first yung sub, si Coach Dino, wala naman siyang katulog to monitor.
Difficult area for the back row of the judiciary. Yumang with a good set. And look at this. We are at anything else. Sinigurado. Uy, kinuha. Kinuha, out na. It was tempting eh. Umaatras. Here we go.
Better, hindi less nerve-wracking na service.
Pass control.
Oo.
Abel.
Buhay pa ang bola. They go to Arnie.
Why not? Yumang says, uwi na tayo! What a come from behind by Comelec. Tinrabaho nila.
Yeah, that's right. So, Judiciary enjoyed a very comfortable lead.